If you are dealing with malfunctioning or failed electric power steering (EPS) on a vehicle with a belt-driven rack and pinion, there may be an option to repair the vehicle that doesn't involve replacing the entire rack and pinion unit. Here are some scenarios and possible repair options. 1. If a steering assist error indicator or check engine light is on in the vehicle and the code associated is for loss of communication to the EPS rack, it is likely not a belt issue and further diagnosis would be necessary. 2. If the code associated with the steering assist indicator light is a code other than a communication error, determine if the motor on the unit is activating when turning the steering wheel. If the motor is turning and there is no power assist to the wheels, then it is likely that the belt has failed and should be checked before replacing the entire unit. This would be an ideal candidate for our belt replacement kit. 3. If the vehicle does not have a steering assist indicator or check engine light on constantly, does the vehicle have intermittent steering assist? Meaning, does the vehicle lose power assistance and then regain assistance anytime throughout the turning process? If so, the belt should be inspected for missing or stripped teeth. In this event, a belt replacement may be the solution. 4. If there is not a steering assist indicator or check engine light illuminated on the dash, but there is a grinding noise that can be heard from the steering rack, it could be rubber shavings from the belt causing the internal bearings to bind. The belt should be inspected for potential partial failure and replacement. In cases where applicable, replacing the belt with our new EPS drive belt replacement kits can save thousands over a full rack and pinion replacement. This repair can be done with hand tools and does not require a PCM reflash. In many cases, if the repair is performed correctly, an alignment will not be required after the repair.